All right, I'm here at Sportsman's, trying to get some cool supplies for this this trip. So I'll show you some of the things I'm doing out here to prepare for this adventure. So come along. I hope you guys enjoy it. These are definitely shoes that I'm into. I think I should probably get some kind of like hiking stick, right? If I could just find some camouflage somewhere. I wish I could find it. I've been looking all over for the camouflage, but I can't see any. I didn't even think about food for the trip, but look at all these options. You have chicken teriyaki, scrambled eggs. Oh, look at this. Ice cream sandwich. We're definitely getting that. There are so many things I didn't think about, but like bug spray. I don't even know what DEET is, but I probably want to get the max of this DEET. Just picked up this pest repellent, but what do I need it for if I have this sweet head net? Getting it. All right, all done with Sportsman's, I think. Got my swag here. Feeling pretty good about this adventure. So back from the store, and I gotta say I spent way too much money on this trip, but that's okay. I need the supplies for this adventure, and I want to share with you some of the things that I got, some of the things that I'm really excited about. First, I have duct tape, plenty of duct tape, because if you can't fix it with duct tape, then you can't fix it at all. Water bottle, have to have it. I have my frying pan, so just in case I need to eat something or defend myself, I have my frying pan. Now this little handy thing, of course, if I need to dig something, who knows. Oh, here we go. Anyways, yeah, got this thing here. Oh, it's an ice cream sandwich. I don't know if I could wait for the journey. I'm just gonna try and dig in and see what it's like, because if this is good, I'm sure the rest of the stuff is good. So let's open it up together, and it should just be ready to go. It's an ice cream sandwich. Let's get into it. It's pretty good. Dream parkour. All right. So thankful to be out here and, you know, just really living the dream. This is it. Hope you're enjoying the trip. It's taking a minute to just praise God for his, you know, his blessings, the blessings that he's given all of us. This is what it's all about. So just gonna enjoy myself, try and be safe, try not to hurt myself. Whew. Work up an appetite out here. Best thing for you to do if you have a hankering for something small, just eat a pine cone. These things are, you know, they're really nutritious. And you just chew them up. Tastes great. Here, this is what I was looking for. All these bugs. I really just want to get these bugs out of here. So I'm gonna put this. Yeah, that's gonna make life a lot easier for me. Yeah, that's perfect. Some of these bugs out of here. Woo! That's some heavy duty stuff right there. All right, so now I got my duct tape. Here we go. Perfect. I don't think you can get better than that. This journey is really turning out really well. This is pretty neat. So let's head off. Let's see how this is gonna count. Perfect. Oh, do you see that? Oh my gosh. Here we go. Now we want to be very careful right now. I see something in here. It's pretty awesome. I'm gonna try and get it. Okay, here we go. It's running. It's running. It went right there. Oh, yeah. This is a major find. Look at how beautiful this is. Oh wow. Wow. Right in the wilderness we were able to find it. Still got dirt all over his feet. He's sniffing me. I think he likes me. I think he likes me. Yeah. Oh, just what a beautiful animal. He's loving on me. He seems to really like. Yep, I think we found a great camping spot for us to hold up for the night. Yes. Take some of this off. Yeah, here we go. Okay. Where I'm gonna sleep. That's gonna work right there. Oh. We'll fix it. We'll fix it later. And look at that. Yeah, it doesn't get better than that, ladies and gentlemen. Boom, we made camp. I mean, I think that's it's a beautiful camp. Open this up. Oh yeah, perfect. Add water here. Boom. Oh. It's good. It's really good. Nothing wrong with this. Nothing wrong with this. While I'm at it, I think I might just go ahead and take a nap. See you guys later. Okay, guys, I heard a bunch of sounds while I was sleeping. It's pretty dark, so I'm going to check it out. And just give me a second to see what's going on.